What's good stuff? It's your boy Henry back with another video. That's what I say. Another day, another dollar. Say today I was strong. Just there, some corruption, isn't it? Want me to so locally, so not outside, so yeah, so when video come up, yeah, I work on the channel still, isn't it? Cause banana bread. So every day I work. Barber we can't go cause Carola go now. We here, Barber we can't link, so can't comment because if we wait at this, so it's not Jamaica alone, so yeah, not Jamaica. So first time this me I go live still, so that's how just promote to YouTube channel at the same time. Life of a Jamaican chef right there, so and just click the subscribe button down there. So as me say, we just say I all the comments. Yeah, I'm gonna plan to go out and say everything locked down. Permanent tech button. Yeah, man, if you join the Soul Life, I'm just join the Soul Life. You know what I mean? If you told, I should go, you know. So we can't do. Can't go no public. Too much people can't do in public. So you know, say birthday, I'm gonna show this. So cause we plan to go and look a party. Look at Netflix for your birthday. Yeah, but can't, you know. As me say, I first me I go live on this YouTube. See people there. Do some local challenge and thing. I mean, we have a video coming up for next couple. So, I mean, feel free. It's like you can comment, answer questions same way. First thing will come to me, jerk chicken. That's my opinion on the thing about Jamaican. First will come to me. To my mind, I just when I hear Jamaican, like first will come. I mean, not what who or what inspired you to become a chef. This you admire the most. Chef me admire the most. Chef Ram. Watch Q&A and check up the Q&A. Alright, issue here. Let's drop it in the comment section right down there. I remember like but my favorite dish to prepare right now in Jamaica would be shake and bake. Shake and bake chicken. Yeah, shake and bake chicken. Definitely rice and peas. Isn't it? Shake and bake, rice and peas. Potato salad. That what I hear is in course. Number five, if you have a chance to prepare one meal for the rest of your life, a meal for the rest of your life. Uh, Comment and tell me. Uh, what would you pick? Thanks for up smarter than up when you're strong, brother. And I think the blessing, listening your bro, God. Listening your cause, thanks cause. So nice. Love you too, mommy. Yeah, somebody else check out some birthday or something with you too. When I get a chance, you do it from morning, just get a chance. So, yeah. So, when I can check back, we go live for 6 o'clock in the evening. Come on. So, can check out that. Look forward for the one day. Brother, them are going to be their friend, are going to be there. First, I go drink, look up. The other thing they go already. Yeah. Do yourself a look. Yes. Yo. Remember, like, share, comment, subscribe. Tell a friend. Out here. Today, I just do it. They won't be. So, yeah, man. Yeah, man. Remember to check out next. Yo, peace.